right, so Ashton is being a big boy. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a long overdue hair wash and deep conditioning for my son Ashton. It's been about 2.5 weeks since I last washed his hair and he's been a little under the weather, so we had to take a break. But today we're tackling all that buildup and getting his hair back to feeling fresh and healthy. Ashton's 3.5 years old now, and his hair has grown so much. He will be 4 next. I do my stretching, y'all, because wash day is crazy. All right, Chucky. You see your lollipop? Give me a kissy. Mwah! Like I said, Ashton will be 4 next month. Can you believe it? But even though his hair is growing, he's still a little busy and doesn't always love having his hair combed. But today we got a plan, and yes, that plan includes a ring pop and Paw Patrol on Netflix, because that's how we get through these hair sessions, right? So as you can see, I'm going to rinse his hair out. And first things first, we're using a shampoo buddy from the TikTok shop today. This thing is such a lifesaver when it comes to washing kids' hair. It helps with even distribution of shampoo and makes it easier to scrub the scalp without getting water all over it. I'm using Carol's daughter's curl quenching shampoo for Ashton's hair. It's super gentle and great for his curly texture, which gets a lot of buildup from styling products and dirt. As you can see, I'm going to go into washing it twice just to make sure that I get out of all the dirt from his hair. Because like I said, it's been about 2.5 weeks since Ashton got his hair washed. And surprisingly, he was doing okay in the beginning. Y'all going to see in this video that he doesn't always get like this. But I was pretty much happy that that ring pop really came in handy. So, yeah, guys, I was rinsing that hair really good. And just making sure that it gets really even throughout his scalp and through his hair. And I just love how this shampoo is sulfate free, so it wasn't drying out any of his curls. As you can see, he has quite a bit of product buildup, and this shampoo would really help cleanse his hair without stripping it, as it is sulfate free. So again, y'all, like, get into this. Get you some of this products. I really like Carol's Daughters. I'm still kind of new to it, but so far so good. It's like a couple of washes that I've been using it. I'm also going to look at his curls, y'all. I'm just looking over at this video, like, look at those curls. So yeah, you see how calm he's looking, y'all? Just into that lollipop, that ring pop. All right, so next, we're going to go into with the African Pride Moisture Miracle Conditioner. This is my go-to for detangling. It's packed with natural ingredients like shea butter and coconut oil, and it helps to loosen up his curls so that I can get through the knots without too much tugging. It's a lifesaver. I haven't washed Ashton's hair in a couple of weeks, so there's definitely some tangles to work through, but we're taking it nice and slow, and I'm making sure to use plenty of conditioner to help with that. After detangling, I'm going to give his hair some extra love with this Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. This is a deep conditioner that would really help restore moisture and keep his curls nice and soft. I'm going to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes while we let him chill with his lollipop and Paw Patrol. We also took a few pictures I'm going to add up in here, y'all. We talked, we laughed. He's just a silly little boy. Look at him, y'all. He's really grown up on me. I decided to also kind of like rinse my conditioner out. Like, y'all, look at him. He was really talking to the camera. I should have kind of left that audio in. He was saying things like, "Hey, camera, these are my friends." He was trying to show our trip to California. We have like this digital picture frame, and he was like looking over at that and talking about it. I don't know. He just was in a really good spirit. So I'm happy as long as he happy, y'all. So whatever it takes just to get him through this video. I was even trying to tease him to share his ring pop with me. And he really didn't. And believe me, I would not want that ring pop because he didn't let it roll on his head, his face, um, his clothes and stuff like that. Like he's look at him. He's a character. I don't know why I cut this audio out because he was really being funny and entertaining and talking to the camera. So I was really enjoying that. I'm like, oh, my little COVID baby has really grown, y'all. Anybody have a COVID child? Like, oh my God, can y'all believe if they aren't already four, they are four already? But anyway, so right here I am cleansing off the conditioners and stuff. So, anyways, so all right, we so right now I'm gonna rinse out this conditioner. Rinsing out really good. I make sure I take my time, rinsing off with like lukewarm water just to continue to lock in the moisture. Look at that boy hair. Is you could just tell like the conditioner just was really helping his hair. It just looks so good just compared to how it was, y'all. I was so disgusted with all the product buildups that Ashton had in his hair. I just could not wait till he got over his cold and we were able to get through it. Like with this weather being in Georgia up and down, I was really truly pleased that we can finally wash his hair. And look how long his hair is, y'all. Oh my gosh. I always like wrap up his hair just so that I can clean out the sink and just to kind of like allow a little air drying. And I always like get like a really good scrub in my sink. I know everybody be talking about washing your hair in the sink or whatever, but y'all, I don't know where y'all grew up at, but I'm gonna wash my hair in the sink, and I'm not changing that. So I like to get it really clean. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I don't care what nobody say. It's still sanitizing, and I'm clean, so I don't care. You do what you do. Everybody's household is different. We all run it different. So do whatever you please. I usually just allow the little shampoo buddy to air dry while I do his hair, probably before I close the kitchen. I know people constantly talk about, oh, why do you all wash your hair in the sink? I'm gonna always wash my hair in the sink. I do not like shampoo and conditioner to drip down on my back. I feel like it causes back acne with the conditioners and stuff. So I'm going to forever use a sink until I can afford to get a shampoo. Yes. Okay, until I can afford to get a shampoo bowl, like the hair salon. But see how clean it is? I use Dawn dish soap and follow up by some Clorox disinfectant spray. That's all, just a quick little clean. And look, it's sanitized, right? Okay. All right, we rinsed out the deep conditioner and now we're ready for styling. Ashton hair is feeling super soft and hydrated after the deep conditioning treatment. I'm going to start by applying some My L Organics leave-in conditioner to lock in that moisture, as well as Blue Magic, taking it back old school. If you know, you know. Now for the styling, since Ashton hairs has grown so much, we're keeping it simple with a four ponytail style today. I'll braid the ends to keep the style neat and secure each ponytail with a rubber band. I'm also using some hair jam to lay down his hair and to keep it intact and in place. As you can see, I will start sectioning his hair into four ponytails and applying products throughout the hair. I will then end it with oiling his scalp with some jojoba oil, as this will help keep his scalp moisturized and promote healthy hair growth. As you can see, he is a little bit upset, but hey, we got work to do, and we're gonna get the work done. I had to like adjust and put the Paw Patrol on again. Um, I didn't really do much of detangling with him as well because he was getting a little bit irritated and the hair wasn't laying down as well as I wanted to. I figured I should have allowed his hair to air dry just a little bit. And I know this little boy did not hit me, y'all. He really did. I had to kind of like speed that part up in the video. Um, I was like, little boy, don't play with me like this. Like, as soon as he felt like a little pull, he crying like somebody killing him. But I'm like, I ain't even tripping, Ashton. We here to do a job, and that job is gonna get done. Oopsie. Come on, get up here. Come on. Come on, buddy. Ready, set, go. Uh-oh. Here's the finished look. Nice, clean, and hydrated curls with a simple 4 ponytail style. It's the perfect everyday look for him. I also added on his do-rag to help with flyaways and to keep his hair neat while he sleeps. Now that his hair is all done, we're going to end the night with some family time. We're going to watch a Christmas movie in the bed with both Aubrey and Ashton. It's the perfect way to end a busy days. Yes, we are watching a Christmas movie before Thanksgiving. Argue with your mama. Thank you all for joining us for today's hair care routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mom life, hair care, and fun family life. See you next time.